Welcome to my channel at Rika Adorn. Today I'm going to be doing some lip swatches from GlamLite. First, starting off with Glazed Donut. Each lip cream is very buttery and has a very sweet smell. This one specifically does smell like a sweet dessert. I love how you don't have to do any type of thinking and they already did the perfect lip combo color for you in one kit. Next, we have pink frosting. This one had to be definitely one of my favorites. This kit came with a brown lip liner and the lip cream I love so much because it has like a little bit of shimmer in it, not too overwhelming, but just like the perfect amount of like sheer shimmer to it, but it still has like a pink base. So I would say this one is different from the other lip kits that I got. And last but not least, I got Cinnamon Swirl, and it definitely does smell like a cinnamon bun. Also comes with a brown lip pencil. And I love these lip pencils because you can tell that they don't break easily. They glide very, very smoothly onto the skin and doesn't leave my lines of my lips feeling like cracked or dry when I drag it across the skin. So I definitely can tell that the quality of these lipsticks are very, very good. I would have to say that this Cinnamon Swirl would have to be my default lipstick combo, and then if I'm going for something with a little bit of a pop of color, I would go with the pink frosting. Here are the results, and stay tuned for just like a quick little review of the lip kits. I did see mixed reviews online. A lot of people saying it was a scam, or they didn't get their lipsticks, or it didn't look anything like the ones that a lot of YouTuber creators were getting sent to them. I bought these with my own money. I bought 3 of them, and I'm here to show you my honest review. What I love about these is the lip pencil. It glides so smoothly onto the skin. It's moisturizing. It just glides on very nicely, and same with the lip gloss. I would have to say overall that I do recommend this brand. I really am a girly who use a lip stain and Fenty lip gloss. I feel like these go so well on brown skin tones and honestly all skin tones, but I feel like it doesn't make me look ashy and it just goes so well with my skin complexion. I would definitely buy from them again. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in my next one.